The wallpaper application, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use it like a pro. So make sure you watch the full video. Stay tuned. As you can see here, this is pretty much the home screen of the wallpaper application, and you have quite a lot of free wallpapers which you can choose from. Some of them are paid and some of these are free. So you have a lot of them which you can scroll through. So you have the collection section, that was the explore section. You have the collect section where you can choose in between. Let's say you want a free earth collection wallpaper, you can tap on this option here. As you can see here, a lot of free ones which you can use, and you can go back and select other options. You have the premium section, you have some other premium section down here as well. Quite a lot of premiums one you can use. You can tap on view all to see all the sections that they have for the free one. So let's say for example this section here, as you can see, quite a lot which you can choose from, and if I do like it, I do recommend adding it to your favorite section by tapping on the like icon there, or the art icon there. So once you have found the thumbnail that you want, all you have to do is pretty much tap on it, and you can either save it or download it, or you can set it right away. That's how simple it is to pretty much set these wallpapers on your device. So that's really pretty much for that there. And you do have a section as it relates to streaks wallpapers. At the moment I only have 0 streaks, so do make sure you're signed in or it won't work. But once you have signed in, each time you use the application per day, so you'd have to log in the application every day to get streak coins. So each day is 1 coin, so it unlocks each of these. As you can see here, I need to go 15 days to unlock this VR section, as you can see, and all these other here. You need 20 streaks, so I need to log on to the application for 20 days straight and collect these coins. So do make sure you go in the streak section. So don't go in the streak section and collect your coin, it won't count. You have to go in the streak section and collect your coin. So in the community section, nothing much, just a few wallpapers as well which you can use. And all you have to do, if you do like them, you do give it a heart. If you do want it to set it to your wallpaper, you can just tap on the wallpaper that you want. You can go ahead and download it as well, and you can go ahead and save it. So set it immediately. You don't want the lock screen or the home screen, whichever one you choose. So that's really pretty much it for this application. Very easy to use, and if I've missed anything at all, and as you can see here over their profile section, you can go over here to get their subscription. And if I do tap on the upgrade option, you can see their prices and everything adds free. And yeah, that's really pretty much it. So if I missed anything at all, just comment below and let me know. See you in the next one.